Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eileen. Today we're doing a DIY mask and I'm using just this Michaels mask. It's quite hard and thick from Michaels. I picked up to make these masks. I'm using some clay here that doesn't dry to shape the way I want my mask. I want to do something unique, and so I decided to do a type of duck mask, and here I am building up my face. I love using the mask from Michaels as a, I don't know, just something, a platform, whatever, to build onto and create what I want to create. So here is the clay. You can use any clay that doesn't dry, and use the paper mache type of thing that I used was the glue and water. I kind of just get the nice mixture. I'm not quite half and half, just a little creamy. And then I use the paper napkins, the paper towels, and I cut them up in squares and I just put them all over to make my coating. I do a couple of layers, and in fact, after this one dried, I didn't do any more layers. It was thick enough, strong enough to work on. want to make sure I coat the mask really well. I didn't want to see the red clay through it, and I just want to make sure I get all over a good layer, a couple of layers there. I'm not sure how many layers I had all the way around, but it seemed to be enough. Once it was dry, I didn't have to add any more. But I want to have a good coverage all the way around, make sure I get the edges so it's not paper too thin, and then I can put the mask, like, you know, put the ribbon on the mask and tie it on, or whatever I decide to use on it. I want to make sure it was thick enough to be strong and usable. Here I'm just going to use my paint pen because the pencil didn't work really well, and just do my markings that I wanted to start off with. So I'm doing the crack marks around the eyes, basically where I'm going to put my dark colors, which I used actually burnt umber, not black, on here, and I just want to give it a duck skull look. Kind of had to make that up. I couldn't find something online, but I used a skull painting or a picture as my reference picture, and just made it on my duck face. So here's the burnt umber, and then the other color I used, the golden yellowy color, would be the raw sienna, and then of course white. So those are the colors I go back and forth on to make this painting, and on the mask to make it more realistic. I didn't want the stark black on white. I wanted to make it look a little bit more creepy and realistic, so I went back and forth on the shading and darkening. Shading, darkening, same thing, and lightening, until I got the perfect colors that I wanted. And that is it, and my mask is complete. thanks friends for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, give me a thumbs up and check out my other videos, and I will see you soon. Bye friends.